And the latest just coming in, post-Operation Sindoor, India has sought major defense budget hike amid security challenges. In fact, the Defense Ministry that is set to see 20% hike in defense budget for the next fiscal year. Defense Secretary R.K. Singh, who recently highlighted the expectations for a higher defense budget, Operation Sindoor that has reinforced the need for faster modernization and heightened military readiness. India's tough neighborhood driving push for high defense spending, which is why FY 2025-26 is likely to see a defense allocation at record 6.81 lakh crore rupees, where the focus will largely be on capital outlay and indigenous production. Atmanirbhar Bharat push to accelerate with higher funding for domestic defense manufacturing, research and development MSMEs. Let me cut across to my colleague Shivani Sharma to get further details on the hike in the defense budget that we are likely to see in FY 2025-26 and how that will be allocated.
Swesha, for the 25-26 financial year, the budget allocations for the Defence Ministry has been over 6 lakh crores, as you've been pointing out. And that too was a major hike, a record hike. But, this year we've seen Operation Sindoor, something unprecedented. And the way Indian forces reacted to it, the way we are enhancing our drone powers, we are enhancing the air defense system, the Sudarshan Chakra. A lot of research and development has to be upped for that. And for that matter, the Defense Secretary in a recent event highlighted that the Defense Ministry seeks around 20% hike this time. That means for the upcoming financial year, that is 26-27. So we are getting some inputs from the Defense Ministry that there are expectations from the government to give a larger chunk for research and development, and also for the air defense systems. New procurements are going on, Suesha. And we must tell our viewers that since Operation Sindoor, there has been an aggressive procurement when it comes to the drones in all categories, be it the FPV drones, be it the surveillance drones. We are also enhancing our air defense systems that are the indigenous air defense systems. So now for the next financial year, that would be 26-27, there are expectations within the Defense Ministry that there should be a hike of around 20% in the defense budget. And last year it was between 6 to 9%, and the total budget allocation for defense was around 6 lakh crores. So now there are expectations, Suesha, that this time it should be around 20%.